Do you know what is a sonnet? A sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. Coming up further into the video, sonnets and types of sonnets. The word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song. A sonnet is a short poem in 14 lines which is written in iambic pentameter. Okay. A sonnet also consists of a volta, which is a specific turn into the poem. I'll explain you what volta is later into the video. For now, let us move on to different types of sonnets. The first one we have here is the Petrarchan sonnet or the Italian sonnet. This sonnet was introduced by the Italian poet Petrarch. Okay, the rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABBA, CDC, DCD. Okay, this sonnet comprises of two major parts, an octave and a sestet. The first 8 lines, that is ABBA, would together be called as an octave, and the last 6 lines, CDC, DCD, would together be called as a sestet. Okay. The second type of sonnet we have here is the Shakespearean sonnet, which was introduced by William Shakespeare. It is also written in iambic pentameter with 10 syllables in each line. It is divided into 4 major parts. The first 3 stanzas are written in 4 lines each. Okay, and the last one is a couplet, which is a 2-line stanza. The rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean sonnet is ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. The third type of sonnet is the Spenserian sonnet, which was introduced by Edmund Spenser. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABAB, BCBC, CDCD, EE. The fourth type of sonnet is the Miltonic sonnet, which was introduced by John Milton. The rhyme scheme of this sonnet is ABBA, CDE, CDE. This sonnet is not divided into octave and sestet, which we studied in the previous Italian sonnet. Okay, there is no such separation of stanzas. This sonnet starts with a problem and ends with a solution to that problem. And the 9th line is the line which indicates a turn towards the solution. This is called as volta, which I talked previously. Okay, a volta is a turn from the problem towards the solution of that problem, which is stated in the above 8 lines, and 9th line is the one which indicates this turn. Moving on to the last and the 5th type of sonnet, which is the curtal sonnet. It was introduced by G.M. Hopkins. Unlike the previous sonnets which we studied, which were written in 14 lines, this sonnet, the curtal sonnet, is written in 11 lines. To be precise, it is written in 10.5 lines. I'll explain you how. It is divided into 3 major parts. A sestet, which is a 6-line stanza, a quatrain, which is a 4-line stanza, and the last part is a short tail piece, which is a short line of 2 or 3 words, that is a half line. So that comes to 6 plus 4 plus half, which is 10.5 line. That's all I had for you today. Subscribe to English Tales to learn more about English literature. My name is Simran Mehtani and I'm signing off. You take care of yourself. Bye.